Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we will learn how to make verbs negative in present continuous tense form. If you are ready, let's begin. So we know present continuous in positive form already. If you're not so sure, please visit my video and then come back to this one. This time, we will look at how to add negative suffix to it, okay? So I have my ben, sen, o, biz, siz, onlar as usual. Those are my personal pronouns. I have my eylem, meaning verb. And then right afterwards, I will add my negative suffix. It can be mu, mi, mu, mu, depending on the vowel harmony, the last letter of the verb I'm looking at. And then I add my your, present continuous suffix, and then I will add my personal suffix. Very simple. Now let's look at some verbs. Tatmak, to taste. Yemek, to eat. Görmek, to see. Okumak, to read. So when I look at tatmak, for example, what do? First, I get rid of mak. And then I have tat, right? My last vowel is a. Tat, a, right? So if the last vowel is a or I add m as a negative suffix, okay? That's why I will add m. And then I add my present continuous suffix, your. And then I add sun, uz, sunuzlar, depending on the personal pronoun I'm dealing with. So if it is I, ben, tatmıyorum, right? Tatmıyorsun, you aren't tasting. O tatmıyor, biz tatmıyoruz, siz tatmıyorsunuz, onlar tatmıyorlar. Now look at another verb, yemek. Again, yemek, I get rid of mek. I have ye. Last vowel, and in fact the only vowel, is e. That's why I look at my second row. Son ünlü, last vowel, is e or e. Then I add me. Yes, last vowel in fact is e. That's why I will use me. Ye, me, present continuous suffix, your, and then my personal suffix. Okumak is to read. I get rid of the infinitive part, mak. I have oku, last vowel is u. That's why I will add mu as a negative suffix. Oku, mu, yo, and then personal suffix. Okumuyorum, okumuyorsun, okumuyor, and goes on like that. Görmek is to see. I get rid of mek. I have gör. Last vowel is ö. That's why I look at the very bottom part, right? Last vowel, son ünlü, ö or ü. Yes, it is ö. Then I will use mü. Gör, mü, yor, and then personal suffix. Görmüyorum, görmüyorsun, görmüyor, görmüyoruz, görmüyorsunuz, görmüyorlar. Now let's do an example. Ben her zaman çalışıyorum. Hiçbir zaman dinlenmek is to rest. When we look at the English translation, I'm always working, never resting, right? Okay, so her zaman, this is a reminder. Her zaman is always. Hiçbir zaman is never. You can say asla, but here hiçbir zaman is more relevant. Hiçbir zaman, never, dinlenmek. Dinlenmek is to rest. Okay, so the personal pronoun is I, right? I am not resting. So I look at dinlenmek. I get rid of mek. I have dinlen. Last vowel is e. That's why I will bring me as a negative suffix. Dinlenmiyor, present continuous tense suffix, yor. Dinlenmiyor. And then for I, for ben. How do I conjugate it? I add right? Dinlenmiyorum. Dinlenmiyorum. Ben her zaman çalışıyorum. Hiçbir zaman dinlenmiyorum. I'm always working. I'm never resting. Another example. O çok geziyor ama hiç yorulmak. Yorulmak is to get tired. Yorulmak is a proper verb in Turkish. So, she travels a lot, but she never feels tired. I want to conjugate yorulmak for third person singular, for he, she, right? For o. And I want to make it negative because she never feels tired. She never gets tired. So, I take yorulmak. I get rid of mak. I have yorul. Last vowel is u. That's why I will have negative suffix mu. Yorul mu, yor, present continuous suffix, and then conjugating for the third person singular. For third person singular, there is no suffix. That's why we will leave it as yorulmuyor. So at the end, what do we have? O çok geziyor ama hiç yorulmuyor. She travels a lot, but she never feels tired. Now it's quiz time. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you like, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell. If you have any feedback or questions, please let me know in the comments below. Or if you want, you can send me an email through ecemileturkce@gmail.com. Thank you so much again, and I'll see you in the next one.